I gotta remember how to open this door handle again. Button. Open. No. Oh god. Other way. Button. Okay. Oh man. Do not put me near a Tesla door handle. I'll probably be standing there for like an hour.
Maybe Loki can get a CD. A long drive with no radio.
Oh, okay. These are all still Japanese?
Yeah.
That's it.
First world problems.
Yeah.
What music to listen to?
It's better than Cotton Eye Joe.
What is Yellow Wolf?
Yellow Wolf is like a country Alabama rapper.
Okay, no.
Or some exhibit.
Let's go exhibit. Do these come with the car?
Yeah, okay, put them in there. Yeah, there you go.
Excellent.
You
Thank you. I'm gonna be
Bit of
fully
mirage.
gangster. Let's see if I can figure out how to start this up again. Alright, so automatic keys, don't need anything. Dump in there. Foot on brake. Handbrake, normal. Press start button. Wow, it sounds so cool. And we're gonna go get some fuel. Some GTR switches. So the far left one is like a snow, and so that's race mode or something?
Like drivetrain, suspension and traction control, I think.
Okay, drivetrain, suspension, traction control. They're all in GTR mode. Let's see what the differences are. I could never imagine in my wildest dreams that I would get to drive one of these. Much less get to drive one 1,100 kilometers. So damn cool. They feel amazing. Okay, yep, GTR mode definitely does make a bit of a difference. So mine kind of looks like Himmy's as well, the same kind of grey, and then Matt is in the white one. What side is my fuel cap on? Alright, cool, my side, driver's side. Turn car off. There, find fuel lever. What electronic toll collection system? What? What is that? That is sick. Yes, okay, I don't know what's wrong with your car. Oh, is my door open? I know I got my door open. Hold on. Is that the door? Yes, okay, cool, it's the door. Okay, that is the door. Find fuel switch. Where is the fuel switch? Phil, where's the fuel switch on these? Where's the fuel switch button? Or do you just pop? Okay, you just push them? Oh, yep, sweet, awesome. I wasn't sure. This is nuts.
Number 86.
Oh, I kind of want to know the fuel bill. How much does it cost to fill up 3 GTRs? Let's call it Patricia. Phil, what are you calling the Beamer? What's its name?
Steve.
Steve. Steve.
I'm calling him Steve.
Oh god.
He looks like Steve.
Susan.
Susan.
What's his one?
That's
Tim. Oh god. Alright, Himmy, your GTR. Your car's name is now Tim. Were you like on empty?
Me?
Yeah.
No. I'll take it.
That is a good idea.
That's what we want.
I'm the other one out.
Matches your tracksuit.
I'll give you a matching tracksuit. For yourself. And that's exactly what I did.
$362 for 3 GTRs.
Bill, do you want a water?
GTR だと
I've got my big Yulanda.
Oh, we named him. Yours is called Tim, yours is Susan.
This is Big Steve.
And Big Steve. And Patricia. The most Western white people names you could ever think of. I'm sorry, GTRs. We'll give you cool names. When I figure out how to open the door. Alright. This is an excellent experience. Alright, yeah, so what Matt was saying was GTR says it's all in normal mode currently. You hold them to turn them on to like stiffer settings, race settings I suppose. It's got like a nice simple heads up, couple of buttons on the steering. I really like the steering wheel, this is quite nice. It's not too crowded. Gauge cluster's nice and simple. Door cards are nice, they got like carpet on them. Can't really see them because they're black. There you go. Nice carpet interior. Beautiful cars. I really would have thought these would have been much bigger on the inside, but they feel like an S chassis. Like they feel so in your face kind of thing. Like, yeah, it's amazing. They're so quiet. Oh, game on! This is crazy. I'm sitting in Sydney traffic in a convoy of 35 GTRs. I'm driving a GTR and I'm sitting next to a Porsche. Okay, so up here this road gets really narrow. It's 3 lanes, but they are like lanes for K cars. They're tiny. And these are not the smallest, narrowest cars, so this is going to be kind of scary. Especially doing it in a $120,000 supercar. Oh man, I could fall in love with one of these. Oh, see? So close. Man, it is the day to get the cars out. We are having a break. We were just on what, 3.5 hours?
Yeah.
Around that?
3.5.
Something like that.
What time we leave? Like 10:30?
Yeah.
It's 1:30 now, so 3 hours.
The white one is the dirtiest. By far. I don't know about bugs, but it's definitely the dirtiest. Himmy's looks the sickest driving
You
around.
caught something over there. Look at that. It's a big ass moth.
There's a couple of big ass moths. They're Melbourne moths, most likely.
Oh, that's one of the moths. Look at this.
Oh yeah, all the bugs.
He said he's gonna get a detailed as soon as he gets back.
As soon as he gets back.
Like Monday while he's working, I guess.
I think that one's slightly lower than mine stance-wise. God, they're so much fun to drive.
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
You think this one's lower?
I think definitely Himmy's, the one he's currently driving is lower, yeah.
Is it lower or is it just the body kit?
It looks lower when it's driving. What could be the body kit? He's got like carbon lip kit things on him. I think mine is stock as a rock. And Himmy's has like this nice little carbon accent thing going on. And pretty wheels. Such a pretty car, pretty color. Beautiful cars to drive.
Bro, it's insane. It feels unreal, like, just seeing that, man.
Yeah.
Never dreamt of this. Crazy shit.
That's it, but this is nuts.
Yeah?
So damn cool.
How's it feel like to drive it?
Unreal. Oh my gosh, I want to play with it. Far out, it's amazing.
Yeah. Sounds like a monster, man. How was that?
They're amazing. These guys are awesome. I can't afford to put them in.
Far out.
That's a sick car too. What do you think of that one?
I thought that looked dope as f. There's been so many like cool old cars over here.
That's so cool.
Just trying to get a slow-mo of that man.
Four-hour stint down in the R35. Now, we have about 100 k's left of fuel. I'm on empty. Let's find out how much fuel. Yeah, pretty much. Matt's the worst. Matt has like 78 Ks left and I have 120 Ks left. But I'm on E and he's on E. Alright, yes, let's see how much fuel goes into an R35. Fuel is currently, oh god, it's $2.23. Hi. How'd you go?
Yeah, good. Run out of fuel as usual.
Just GTR things.
Mexico things.
All the GTR things. There you go, 54 litres, $121.20 in the GTR. From empty to full.
Alright, what numbers are we?
Number, no idea. 5. Number 5.
That's a truck.
No face, mate, no face.
Nah, I had to clench my butthole for that one. That's on camera as well. You can put that in your video. Jesus, man.
1,100 kilometers later, the night has come to an end. We have just reached Springwood. This is the end of my stop. The GTR will be going back with Himmy to his house, so it has been an amazing experience. Thank you so much, Himmy. Thank you very much, Phil, Matt. It has been an awesome weekend hanging out with you guys and for GTR Festival. With all the GTRs. A little dirtier than when we started. How you feeling, Himmy?
I don't want to go to bed. I don't know where my friend is.
I don't know where Phil went either. That is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Later, Himmy. Have fun.